Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Gemsofknowledge. So I'm here with another video on the chapter Heron's formula of class 9th, and today we are going to deal with the next exercise, that is 8.2. Okay. So before starting with the video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell button to get the notification as soon as I post my new videos. So here the first question is given. A park is in the shape of quadrilateral ABCD. Now this is a park which is in the form of a quadrilateral, in the shape of a quadrilateral, that is A, B, C and D. And they have given angle C as 90 degree, and they have given some measurements, that is AB is equals to 9 meter, okay, BC is equals to 12 meter, this is 12 meter, okay, and CD is equals to 5 meter and AD is 8 meter. How much area does it occupy? So you need to answer how much area does it occupy. So according to Heron's formula, we know that it only works on the triangles and not on the quadrilaterals. So what we need to do is we need to convert this quadrilateral into triangles. How we can do it? So this is the way to do it. We can divide it in the, so if we join B and D, we'll get this equilateral, sorry, we'll get this quadrilateral into two parts, okay, and both the parts are triangles. Now you can see, if we consider this to be as first triangle and this to be as second triangle, how we can solve this answer. So we'll consider the first one. In the first one, they have already given, so you can see, consider triangle B, D and C. Okay, so here they have already given A is equals to 5 meter. Okay, let us consider this A is equals to 5 meter. Then B is equals to 12 meter. Okay, and C is equals to question mark, because this will be C now. If this is A, B and this will be C now. We don't know what is the value of this. So how we can find the value of this? As you can see, this is a right angle triangle. Means this is the base, this is the height. If this is right angle triangle, then this one is the base and it will be the height. So if this is a right angle triangle, we can use a Pythagoras theorem over here, that is BD square is equals to this square. Square of the hypotenuse is equal to square of sum of the square of both the sides. So sum of these two sides, that is BC plus CD. BC square plus CD square. This is according to Pythagoras theorem. Okay, now let us substitute. BC we are having 12 meter, that is 12 square it will be, and CD is 5 square. So 12 square is nothing but 144 plus 5 square is 25. If you add this both, we are going to get 169. So BD square is nothing but 169. If you remove the square to this side, it will become BD is equals to root of 169, which is equals to, root means root of 13 into 13, we got 169. So this will become 13 square, root of 13 square. Now this square and this root is cancelled. We are left with 13 meter. So BD, this value we got as 13. Okay. Next, now we need to find the area of this triangle. So area of first triangle. Okay, so the area of first triangle is equals to, okay, this is the triangle and it is also a right angle. So what we will do, we will consider this formula, that is half into base into height, because directly answer will get it. So half will be as it is, base, this is the base, I have told you, it is 12 into height is given as, this is the height, I already told you, it is 5. Now 2 ones are 2, 6 are 12, we are getting 6 into 5, 6 5s are 30 meter square. Okay, so the area of this part is 30 meter square. Now we'll consider for the second case. Now area of second triangle is equals to, so here you can write this answer into two ways. Either you can use this answer, sorry, this formula, that is half into base into height. If you use this half into base into height, let me show you what will be the answer here. Half will be as it is. What will be the base here? This is the base here. Okay, that is 9 into height is 8. So 2 ones are 2 fours are, so you are getting 9 fours are 36 meter square. Okay, now if you add both, that is total area. Okay, that is total area, if you add, you are going to get 30 meter square plus 36 meter square. It is nothing but 66 meter square. Okay, this will be the final answer. Now let me show you the other method, because in the textbook they did not give us the 66 meter square as your answer. They have applied the Heron's formula here, and let me show you what will be the answer. So up to this much it is correct. Okay, up to this much it is correct, because this is a right angle triangle, and for the right angle triangle we can use any of the formula. It's not like we need to use Heron's formula only. We can use half into base into height formula. For the second case, they did not told us that it is a right angle over here. Okay, so we need to use Heron's formula only. So let me show you, or another method, that is area of second triangle. Okay, according to this we need to use this formula, that is s into s minus a, s minus b, and s minus c. So by the side only we'll find out what is the value of s. S is equals to a plus b plus c divided by 2. So what is our a? You can take anything. 8 plus 9 plus 13 we need to take. Okay, so 8 plus 9 plus 13 is divided by 2. So 8 plus 9 plus 13 is nothing, 30 by 2. Okay, so 2 ones are 2, 15s are 30. So S is equals to 15 meter we got. Okay, now we'll apply for the here. So S is 15. Again 15 minus A we have taken as 8. Again 15 minus 9 we have taken B, and C we have taken 15 minus 13. So next, if we open this, what we are going to get is, we'll keep this 15 as it is. 15 minus 8 is 7, and 15 minus 9 is 6, and 15 minus 13 is 2. Okay, now what we are going to get the answer is, now if we open this, we can write 15 to be as 5 3s are 15 or 3 5s are 15. Okay, in the basic form. Okay, now 7 can be written as it is, because 7 ones are 7 we can write, because 7 is not divisible by any of the number again. So 6 is divisible by 3 2s are 6 or 2 3s are 6, and this 2 is the smallest number itself. Okay, now you got, as you can see here, 3 square into 2 square 2 times, and 5 and 7 are remaining. So 5 sevens are 35 will be as it is. Now this square, and this root is cancelled. So 3 2s are 6 we are getting into root 35 meter square. Okay, now we need to open this root 35. So to remove the root, okay, there is one method called as division method to remove the root of any number. So 35 we will write here. So this is not like the normal division what we are using, it is something different. So here we need to use square roots only. To remove the square roots we need to use square numbers only, just like 4 4s are 16, 5 5s are 25, and 6 6 are 36 we need to use. Now 6 6 are 36 we are having. Okay, it means 36 is greater than 35. So we need to use a smaller number here, just like 5 5s are 25. So if we write 5 here, that is 5 5s are 25 we are getting, and 10 is remaining. Okay, now here one more thing we need to consider, that is whenever we are using the square number, that must be in pair. The number must be in pair, means two numbers must be there. Okay, similarly now 10 is there. Okay, and we cannot divide it. Okay, just because, why we cannot divide it, this 5 we are going to add it here. Whatever we have taken in the question form, we need to add it here. So that 5 plus 5 we are getting 10. Okay, now we have to apply some number here so that it gets divided by this number, which is impossible, because if we apply 101, or if we apply 0 also, 100 into 0 we are not getting 10 here. So what we will do is, we'll put a point here and 2 zeros here, so that this is also in pair. We need to take this zeros also down, so that this will become 1000. Okay, this will become 1000. Now we are going to add some numbers, just like 109, and this same number only we are going to apply over here, and this point will be transferred here. Okay, now 109 into 9. So let me multiply 109 into 9. 9 9s are 81. 1 8 is carried, 9 zeros are 0, 8 will be as it is, and 9 ones are 9. So 109 into 9 we are getting 981. So what is remaining here is 9. Okay, because this is 10, 10 minus 1 is 9, this will be 9, 9 minus 8 is 1, and here nothing will be remaining, because whatever we have taken is moving here, so we are left with 19. So the answer here is 5.9. So that answer is multiplied here, that is 5.9 into 6. So if we multiply here, we are going to get 35.4 meter square. Now for the total answer, what we need to do is total is equals to 30 meter square plus 35.4 meter square. So we got the final answer to be as 65.4 meter square. So this is the answer which is present in your textbook, okay, back of your textbook. So I hope this will be the method to solve this. They did not told us it is 66 meter square. They have given something 65.4 or 5, nearer to this approximate answer they have given. Okay, so if this formula is not accepted, this is correct, because total this is approximate 65.4 or 65.5 means it is 66 only, approximate. Okay, so depending on the marks to this provided question, you can solve this question. If you get this question for a lower marks, you can use this one, this method, and if you get it for a higher marks, then you can use this solution. Okay, I hope you got this. We'll move on to the next question. Okay, now moving to the second question which is given here. You can see here, find the area of the quadrilateral ABCD in which AB is equals to 3 centimeter, BC is equals to 4 centimeter, CD is equals to 4 centimeter, DA is equals to 5 centimeter, and AC is equals to 5 centimeter. So let us draw a rough diagram over here. Okay, so this is a quadrilateral. Okay, so this is a quadrilateral in which this is A, B, C and D. Okay, now already they have given us the measurements. Let us draw with the measurements. So let us go with the measurements over here. So AB, they have mentioned it as 3 centimeters. So we'll write 3 centimeter. BC is nothing but 4 centimeter. Okay, CD is again 4 centimeter. And DA is 5 centimeter, and they have also given us AC is equals to 5 centimeter. So AC, this value, that is AC, this is nothing but 5 centimeter. Okay, so depending on this, again we got two triangles. Okay, that is we'll consider this to be as first triangle and this as the second triangle. Okay, now for the first triangle, we need to, in the first situation what we did, that is we have applied half into base into height because it was a right angle triangle. Okay, then we have found it out the Pythagoras theorem, then we have substituted. So here already they have given the third side also, so what next we can do it. Okay, so if we find out directly, what we need to do is we need to apply for the both cases, we need to apply Heron's formula. Okay, we cannot use half of the base into height. So what we will do is, for the application of half into base into height, we'll consider the first triangle. Okay, and we will verify whether it holds the Pythagoras theorem or not. So according to the Pythagoras theorem, we have AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. We have, okay. So according to this, let us substitute AC. What is our AC? AC is 5. Okay, so 5 square is equals to AB. AB is 3 square plus BC. BC is 4 square. So let us find out. This is 5 5s are 25. We are getting, this is 3 3s are 9 plus 4 4s are 16. So 25 is equals to 16 plus 9 is also 25. So LHS is equals to RHS. It means this triangle holds the Pythagoras theorem. It means if it holds Pythagoras theorem, we can say that this angle is a right angle triangle. Okay, now according to this, what we can do it, area of first triangle is equals to half into base into height. So half will be as it is. Base is nothing but, this is the base, that is 3 centimeter, and height is nothing but this one. Okay, so it is 4. Now 2 ones are 2 twos are, we are left with 3 twos are 6 centimeter square. Now this is the area of this triangle. Now we'll move on to the second triangle, okay, where we need to use Heron's formula only, because in the first case I have shown you the answer will be approximately equal but not exactly what we want. So if you want exactly what is present in your textbook, backside your textbook, the answers, solutions answer, so then you need to apply for the Heron's formula only. Okay, so better to apply Heron's formula, because we are learning Heron's formula, then we need to apply Heron's formula. Okay, so we'll apply with the Heron's formula only. area of second triangle, that is root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. So by the side, so we'll go on with the s finding. Okay, so we know that s is equals to a plus b plus c divided by 2. A is nothing but, for the second triangle, a is 5 plus 4 divided by 2. So we got 5 plus 5 is 10, 10 plus 4 is 14. 14 by 2 is nothing but 7 centimeter. So we got the value of s to be as 7 centimeter. So let us substitute here. That is 7 into 7 minus a is 5. Then 7 minus b is again 5. And s is nothing but 7 minus, this is 4. So we are left with 7 into 7 minus 5 is 2 into again 7 minus 5 is 2 and 7 minus 4 is 3. So here we got 2 square into 7 into 3. Okay, so this square and this root is cancelled too. So we got 2 here into root of 7 3s are 21. Okay, now we need to find the value for this root 21. So by the side only we'll find out root 21. I have taught you the division process. This is like this, and we'll take 2 zeros. Okay, extra will take 2 zeros. So 21 is 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16, 5 5s are 25. So 25 is greater. So we will go to the second least number, that is 4. That is 4 4s are, we are getting 4 4s are 16 we got. Okay, remaining is 5. Now we'll take both the zeros down here and we'll take one point over here. Okay, now this 4 we need to add here. It will be 4 plus 4 8, and we need to add some number here so that it goes with this number and we get some least number. So 87 will take 87 into 7 something here, and that number only must be multiplied over here. So 7 7s are 49, 9 and 4, 7 8s are 56, 56 plus 4 is 609, which is quite greater than 500. So we need to take lesser number here. So we'll consider 86 into 6, 6 6 are 36, 6 8s are 48, 48, 49, 50, 51. This is also greater than 500. So again we'll go to the least number, that is 85 into 5. 5 5s are 25, 5 and 2 carry, 5 8s are 40, 40 plus 2 is 42. So here we need to take 85 into 5, that is 425. Okay, and here you are going to get remaining is nothing but 75. So we'll take only this number, that is 2 into 4.5. If you multiply this, 2 5s are 10, 0 and 1 will be carried. 2 4s are 8 plus 1 is 9 and point. So you got 9 centimeters square. Now the total area will be, total area you need to add both, that is this 6 centimeter square and this 9 centimeter square. So 6 plus 9 is nothing but 15 centimeter square. Okay, now if you open this again by putting 2 more zeros here and continuing this, you will get a lot of answer. Like after point you will get many more numbers over here. Okay, and if you add that, you are going to get point 15 point something else. Okay, so if you need it, you can continue with, or you can keep it like this only, and in the bracket you can write approximately 15 centimeter square. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you. So we'll continue the next part of this exercise into the next video. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll be back soon with the next video, the continuation part of this. Till then, stay tuned and stay connected. Thank you.